Delta, move the package inside.
Moving package inside.
Ease it down slowly. Watch that gap. Got it, coming down. Hold it right there, looks aligned. All right, bring it forward. Watch the alignment. Looks good, send the bolt through. All right, team, on my count. Ready? And lift.
Lifting, steady.
Guiding it down now, easy.
Seat secure on my side.
Locked in place. Okay, guide it slowly into the frame.
Copy that. Making adjustments now.
Okay, guide it slowly to the right. Right there, hold steady.
Applying pressure now. Seats are good.
Ballistic glass installed. Secure cabin achieved.
Comprehensive armor coverage confirmed. Looks good.
Total protection.
This ballistic glass cross-section shows 7 layers totaling 3 inches.
Ensure the torque specs match the schematic.
Already verified. We are within tolerance.
The system is activating now. We have primary control access.
Good. I am confirming the encrypted line is secure.
The encryption protocols are fully updated on this unit.
Good. We are clear for the final systems handover.
The emergency egress tool is located here, secured in the center console.
Confirmed. Ballistic glass breaker is accessible.
As you can see, despite the significant concussive force, the occupant restraints maintained full integrity. Ballistics and structural integrity confirmed.
Vehicle verified. Ready for service.